Welcome one and welcome all. Today I'm going to be breaking down how I built my living room that you will see behind me when I stream over on twitch.tv/LoanChicken. If you haven't already, hop on over and slap that follow button so you know when we're cooking. So I started out with a rough idea of what I wanted. First things first, I need some kind of reference. My imagination can get a little hazy and I need something concrete to look at. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that happy family. Right, so now we've got our reference images. We need some sort of sketch to get a lay of the land. We need a couch. We need some armchairs, a coffee table, and definitely, without a doubt, we need a kick-ass fireplace. Let's get some other bits, like my desk and my chair, to give us some sort of reference to where I'm sitting in the room, and we'll sort out the lighting later. That's going to be a huge pain in the ass. Let's model this shiz. Now Blender is my clay of choice, so once we've cracked that open, I'm going to slap in my blueprint and we're ready to roll. Now we need a foundation. Get that floor in there. So a couple of walls in here will give our brain some kind of real understanding that this is an actual 3D space with some sort of scale and reference to go off. So I don't have any ready to go models for the furniture that I want, so for now we'll just chuck in some blocks. After blocking it out, I want to get stuck into the framing. So I'm going to line up this virtual camera with my real camera in the hopes that it makes my work look a little bit more convincing. Now with that done, we need to sort out the furniture for real this time. Here's some I prepared earlier. But what about the armchairs? Right here, straight out of the oven. And the coffee table? Sorted, you beauty. Now whilst this furniture looks great, I know, expert modeling, the room is still bleak as heck. We got no lights and everything is grey. Now lucky for you lot, you didn't have to sit beside me while I figured out how on earth I was gonna like this sucker. Bada bing! Now texturing was a whole nother beastie. I knew basically what I wanted, but I have no idea how to make textures, and I need this done by Christmas. So I did what any clever creator does, and I looked around the internet for somebody who's already done the hard work for me. Them's the big brain plays. So the obvious choice here is Texture Haven because the textures are free and they all look smashing. But even so, I'm forgetting about my main man, Blender Guru, because without him teaching me how to model a donut, this living room would still just be a figment of my imagination. So I popped on over to polygon.com and I got myself some goodies. And the room is done. Walls, check. Furniture, check. Lighting, check. Textures, check. But without a functioning fireplace, all of this is garbage. I'm wasting my time here. So by this point I was getting a little bit lazy and I took some shortcuts. I got this beautiful fire over from Martin Hoff at ArtStation, and it is perfect. Simulating fire on my machine is a hecking taxing job, so I kept it pretty low res. But this looks like it's straight out of Minecraft. I don't care though, because I'm going to be adding a layer of blur over the top of everything to give it the sort of feel that my camera has depth of field. And voila, I present my magnificent living room. Now come on over, bring a Vegemite sandwich and have a chat with me at twitch.tv/LoanChicken. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, slap that subscribe button. For now, I've been LoanChicken. You have been incredible. Good night.